Tired of the same old boring breakfast? What if I told you that healthy eating can be exciting, delicious, and totally Instagram-worthy? Well, get ready because one of the biggest breakfast trends blowing up right now is pesto eggs on toast. And trust me, it's a game changer. It's nutritious, it's beautiful, and it's about to become your new morning obsession. So what's all the hype about? Let's break it down. Instead of using regular butter or oil, you start by spreading a generous layer of pesto right into your hot pan. As you crack your eggs on top, they sizzle away, soaking up all that incredible herby, garlicky goodness. The result? Perfectly cooked eggs with wonderfully crispy, lacy edges and a flavor that is just out of this world. It's a simple swap that makes a huge difference. Now, let's build the perfect plate. Take a slice of hearty whole grain or maybe a tangy rye sourdough toast. Place your beautiful pesto eggs on top. To really round out the meal, add a handful of fresh baby spinach and some juicy cherry tomatoes. Just like that, you've created a perfectly balanced breakfast. You've got high-quality protein from the eggs, essential fiber from the whole grain toast and veggies, and healthy fats from the pesto. It's a powerhouse of nutrients to kickstart your day. But the fun doesn't stop there. This recipe is incredibly versatile, so you can easily make it your own. Not a fan of fried eggs? No problem. Try making scrambled pesto eggs instead. Just whisk your eggs with a spoonful of pesto for a creamy, flavorful twist. Want to add a little something extra? Crumble some feta cheese on top for a salty, tangy kick that pairs beautifully with the pesto. You can even create a lighter version by making your own pesto with rapeseed oil and vegetarian parmesan, cutting down on the fat without sacrificing flavor. And here's the best part for all of us with busy schedules. This entire meal comes together in less than 15 minutes. That's right, a gourmet-level, nutritious breakfast faster than you can brew your morning coffee. It's the perfect solution for those hectic mornings when you need something quick but don't want to compromise on taste or health. So, whether you're searching for a speedy weekday breakfast, a trendy idea for your next weekend brunch, or simply a way to make healthy eating more enjoyable, pesto eggs on toast is the answer. It's proof that you do have to choose between food that's good for you and food that tastes amazing. Go ahead and give it a try. Get creative with it. Add some roasted veggies, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or even a slice of avocado. Make it your signature dish and show everyone how delicious healthy can be. Thanks for watching. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious ideas. See you in the next video.